On my side, from Woolpert's side, it's a pleasure now to make this donation of the aircraft hull. You're going to use it as a static display. We've spoken about how it's a work in progress. It's still going to have wings fitted and other things, but you're going to include some of your young ladies to help with restoring it.
So here today, Woolpert has donated an aircraft.
It's a Partenavia Italian-built aircraft. This is the P.68 Charlie. Ground speed is about 140 knots, payload 350, and all-up weight 1.9. Range normally about 700 nautical miles, depending on your payload and fuel. Landing distances, you can work on about 700 meters, and takeoff same. But yeah, great aircraft for what we do, for the low-level, low and slow survey flying, very stable aircraft, very easy to fly.
We decided that we want to build spaces where young people can come, innovate. So we're hoping that we'll build about 9, like every province has some sort of an aerospace village, but obviously we're looking for generous people that will give us a hangar, and then we can further develop that hangar, a place where young people can come and just learn about the industry. But I think for me as well, what is so significant and so important is the support that we've been getting in the industry. That has just been amazing. Everywhere we go and we tell them the concept, this is what we're trying to do, everybody's like, okay, what can we do? We want those young people to come and work. Who wouldn't want a mechatronic engineer from UCT? We've got another young person who's in the UK. She did aeronautical engineering at Verts. She was on our program. She did masters in the UK. She's now designing satellite in the UK. On behalf of Girls Fly Africa, I would like to thank Woolpert for the aircraft donation. And this donation is going to be at our hangar B at Grand Central Airport. And without the support of Woolpert and other companies like them, we wouldn't be where we are and wouldn't be as successful as we are. So to Woolpert, thank you very much.